Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the Macbook Neo and I'll be showing you on the Macbook Neo how to connect to your or connect to a Wi-Fi. All right, so here we go. So if you want to connect to a Wi-Fi or any Wi-Fi, it's very easy. You're gonna go ahead and look right here beside the time. You're gonna open Control Center. Then you're gonna click on the Wi-Fi that's right there. And of course, it's gonna scan here. Or of course, you can go to Wi-Fi settings. Now, the more prominent way to do this would be, let me close this out, to come right here, and you're gonna go ahead, guys, and you're gonna tap on the Apple logo. Tap on the Apple logo as seen here, go down, sorry, Apple logo, go down to system settings. That's the second option. Next, guys, you're gonna see a bunch of stuff. Click on Wi-Fi. So this is the detail way. By clicking up here, that was the quick way. All right, so here I like this way because it shows everything. You're gonna look for, you might be connected to a current network or you might not be connected to anything. You're gonna allow it to load. Then you're gonna look for the network that you want. So for example, here's this network. And of course, this network is one that I'm using for this video. I'm gonna hit connect. Here it asks for the password. So I'm gonna type in the password. All right, so this is one of my own networks that I've created for this video. You can ask to show the password in case you want to see if you made a mistake. I'm not going to show you my passwords, might okay. And of course, if I give it a little time, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and connect to that available network once it's available. And there you go. It says no networks. It's taking its time. It says connected. And of course, it's turning on and off. For you, it will show connected, and the reason why it's turning on and off for me is because that network doesn't really have an internet connection. But once it has an internet connection, it will connect and it will not see this screen. If there's issues, it will show, or is there no internet? So it says Wi-Fi network could not be joined. All right, and the reason why it could not be joined was just because I don't think I have any data on it. So give me a second, let me try to correct that. All right, guys, so of course was having a little issue with the network, but it's just a simple matter of, if you're having connection issues, go ahead and restart the Neo and also restart the router or modem that you have connected to for the internet. But otherwise it should work. Once you connect with the correct password, it will say connected, and once it's connected, you'll get that green light and you'll be able to browse the internet, as you'll see that you have an active Wi-Fi connection. All right, so that's how to do it on the MacBook Neo. I hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.